In 2021, Auckland has been in lockdown for 3 months. That was hard and stressful for everyone. I hope 2022 brings us health, wealth and happiness. We made a holiday plan early this year before the lockdown. We were not sure if we'd make it because of the Delta outbreak. We finally made it. Our road trip has started. We departed Auckland on Christmas Eve, non-stop driving to Wellington to catch the Inter-Islander ferry, crossing the Cook Strait and arriving in Picton at midnight. That was unbelievable. Our plan is to explore the upper part of the South Island, including a sailing holiday in Queen Charlotte Sounds as well. We will be traveling around Marlborough region, Westport, Greymouth, Lewis Pass to Hanmer Springs, Kaikoura, Blenheim and Picton to catch the Inter-Islander ferry again. We didn't forget Farewell Spit, that was worth visiting, after windy mountain roads. That was amazing. I've already made a video about Picton and a teaser for our 2022 holiday adventure. See what is next in today's video. Enjoy! Today we are heading towards Picton Waikawa Marina for our sailing adventure. It will take about 4 hours driving, so we woke up very early to pick up the boat at 10 o'clock in the morning. After meeting the friendly team at Campus Charters and safety instructions on board, we had a practical sailing session to familiarize with Okoromai. She is a Jean-San Odyssey 35. Then we started loading our bags into the boat.
Zor taşınmıyor değil mi oğlum? Ha? Tek tekerlek olsaydı zor olurdu. Ne diyorsun oğlum? Efendim?
Bu tersten oynayacağız ya.
İpleri tutma annem, oldu mu? Elin sıkışır bir tane.
Hayır baba, o dediğin yer değil. O dediğin yer tam tersi.
Ben bakayım.
Senin gideceğimiz dediğin yer şurası. Bu uç, tamam.
Hayır şurası. Bir tane o bir yazıyor ya, checkpoint. O
bak. Turn ship to starboard.
Şeyde o arada kalmasın.
Starboard. Kutucuk olmasa hiç yapamayacağız.
Başladın mı?
Evet evet.
İkisi birlikte tuttu.
Motor durduruyor lan.
Durdur. Fırının altında olabilir mi?
Bak gemi geldi şimdi.
Okey. After 4 hours driving and preparing for sailing, unloading the car and loading the boat and securing a mooring in the nearest bay made us very tired. Ege was still energetic for kayaking and he took his time and enjoyed the rest of the day. Lochmara Lodge have good lunch and dinner options, but we had our first dinner on board and went to bed early.